everybody a story? Miss Squishy Booty. Yeah, see, I'm not being a good eater today. I'm eating my hands, but I won't take my bottle. You are being a silly boy. You gonna talk to everybody? Come on. Talk to him. Talk to him. No? Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, there we go. What a good boy. You looking at yourself on the phone? Tell him a story. Yeah. What else happened? That's a lot of stuff. Okay, bye-bye, everybody.